Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gurmeet Kaur and today we are going to talk our favorite beautiful plant. This is petunia, guys. So this petunia today I'm going to repot into the container. See, this one I brought from the nursery. I've already sown some petunia seeds, but I couldn't wait when there were so many colors available. As of now I've taken only two colors. I'm planning to have this double color petunia, so they didn't have that, so I did not go for the purple ones. I don't know what kind of seeds I have, so I've just sown it. Let's see what color will come out from that. Anyways, so today I'm going to repot this one. See, they have given normal garden soil, which is very nice, well draining, no probs, but still petunia likes to have coco peat and it likes moist soil. So today I'm going to repot it and show you what kind of a soil we'll be using in petunia, and I'll also give you tips how to grow petunia better. Okay, so let's start, guys. So guys, here is a container. As you can see, this is a 6-inch container, guys. This one I have taken, and see, I'm not taking a big one because, as you know, petunia doesn't need deeper containers, and I'm taking this one. It is big enough for the seasonal plants to grow. Petunia is a seasonal plant and it will thrive only till April to May. So we'll be planting it in this container, and I'm planting two of this red and white color in the same container. It doesn't even need this deep container also. So let's do this. I'll fill this pot. Garden soil, what I'm taking is like 40% of garden soil I'm taking. No, sorry, 30% of garden soil I'm taking, 40% of coco peat I'm taking, and else 30% I'm taking is vermicompost. Vermicompost, as of now, it is enough for the petunia. Okay, so I'll mix the soil and I'll show you. Here is the pot. I've filled it half with the garden soil plus coco peat, and here is my cutting, guys. See, I've taken it out, so we'll be placing this in this. Okay, so I'm not disturbing the root ball of these, guys. I have removed it very gently from the poly bag and I've placed it. Let's fill this with our solution, I mean the soil mix. Okay, I'll show you the end product. So guys, here I have repotted this container. As you can see, I have put two kinds of colors in that for petunia. So, and this soil, it likes moist soil, guys. So water it every day. Most of the time check the soil and water. If you are taking a bigger container, then you need to check the soil. And whenever the this flower, as you can see, this will remain today and it will die. So what you need to do is, when it has spent, then you need to cut the flower from here, guys. Don't cut it, don't remove this part, cut it from here. If not, they'll start forming the seeds and you won't get the flowers. So don't forget to deadhead, try to remove all these flowers when they droop down, when you know. And see, like this you can also put different color. You can mix match with these colors, and you can also grow in your garden. Like, there are multiple colors available, guys. There are double colors petunias, which I'm really crazy about, and I'm going to get those also, and I'll show you those. I may not make a video, but I'll show you. See, this also has lot many buds. See, this white one is doing really great. I was really didn't wanted to repot it because it was doing really great in the poly bag, but still we have to give nutrition to these, right? So that they should grow constantly. And for the constant growing, what you need to do is give them DAP. They like acidic soil, but they also like DAP crystals a lot. So what you need to do, whenever you fertilize this plant, add 6 to 7 or 5 to 6 DAP crystals in the corner here near the pot. Just do it like this, and in this you put 5 to 6 crystals of DAP and water it. If not, if you don't have DAP, you can also spray NPK, or else you can spray NPK. You can just to 1 gram of half gram of NPK, you can just give it in the soil. If you're giving in the soil, you can give 1 gram. If you're putting it in you know in the water and you're spraying it, then you should put only half teaspoon of NPK in that pot, and you can just spray it off. Okay, and you can also give it potash, guys. So if you give potash, the flowers will also increase. So what you have to do is take 2 grams of potash and give it in the soil like this. Just sprinkle it, don't go near the roots, just sprinkle it in the corners of this pot and water it. Okay, so you have to do this early mornings mostly, because that is a time most of the times this flowers will be taking the nutrition. So guys, here I end my video. If you like these kind of short videos, please let me know. I'm going to do many more videos on this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please hit a like button if you like this video. Thank you guys.